Alright, so I don't really know how I'm going to do this, but I'm going to powder coat one of my mini bike rims. I've dabbled with smaller, like practice piece powder coating projects to sort of see if I could do it. They all turned out pretty decent, so I'm hoping I can apply that same logic to one of these mini bike rims. This is a bigger project than I have done so far, so we're going to roll with it and see how it goes. Alright, so I got the wheel bearings out. Gonna deflate this tire, take the tire off, and then I will sandblast this. So I'm trying to get this mini bike rim out. Slowly but surely, I bent the rim a little bit. I'll fix that. But, got it. We're going good. Perfect. Alright, so I got the rim off the tire. It was difficult, but got the bearings out, cut the valve stem out. I'm gonna use this guy, my sandblaster, to sandblast this quick, and I will be back. Alright, so I had it powder coated. I ended up taping off the ends there. Or I got it sandblasted, I ended up taping off the ends, and I'm gonna powder coat it now. Okay, so here I was trying to get it to properly adhere. I was having issues. That's why you'll see me messing with the ground strap. I could not figure this out to get proper adhesion, but I was hoping it would flow out nicely. You'll come to see how this went. Alright, so just put the rim in there. We shall see how it turns out. Alright, so here's the finished product. Um, Definitely had some hiccups along the way. Not proper adhesion, it slipped off the grates when it was curing. Um, Grounding issues. I need to figure out a better solution for my grounding rather than just a paper clip, so I'm going to work on that in the following videos. But I think I'm going to roll with it. I don't have anything to strip this paint, so we're going to roll with it, go for that patina look for the time being. I'll probably touch it up down the road, but for the time being it works. And the great part is I do have the other rim that I can powder coat and go from there. I mean, giant learning lesson. Powder coating definitely isn't as easy as people make it appear, but I don't know, better than I predicted it would come out. If you could leave a like and subscribe, that would be awesome, and I'll be posting more about the mini bike.